So today, I'm going to show you how to go from this to this, and from this to this, with normal household items such as steel sponge, dish soap, degreaser, some paint and primer from Lidl, and just the right amount of elbow grease. Let's start with the cleaning. As you can see, the rims are in pretty bad shape as I bought them used. So first of all, I'm spraying some degreaser to the junk, and with some hot water and the steel sponge, I'm going at it to get as much off the rims as possible. After it's fairly clean, there still remain some tough spots. For that I use a dish soap, in this case Fairy, not sponsored of course, and go at it until nothing's left on the rims. This is the most time-consuming part of the whole process, but it's a must if you want to have any kind of success in repairing your rims and giving them new life. As soon as we are done, as you can see, they are fairly clean. All that's left from the cleaning process is to just give them a nice rinse outside to get off every contaminants that would ruin our piece, and go over them with a microfiber towel to get them fairly dry. Of course, you have to rinse them with water on both sides. Let's start the sanding process. For big imperfections/holes, I go over them with some low-grade sandpaper, in this case 120s, to get everything nice and even. After that I go over the whole piece with some higher grade sandpaper, in this case it was 1000s. After everything was touched and sanded down to where you can't feel any bumps, you can wash the piece again and dry them out. After they have dried mostly, I go over them with some alcohol to wash of any residue that still remains on the surface. As you can see, I've not gotten the tire of the rims, so I have to protect the rubber. so no paint gets on it in the painting process. That's why I'm going over the whole piece with some tape just around the rims. You can shimmy the tape just under the rims and tape it to the rubber. It's not the best way, but hey, it gets the job done. As soon as you are done with the taping and the protection of the rubber, just to make sure everything is still clean, and no oils from my hands get stuck under the paint, I go over the whole thing with yet again some alcohol. This will clean everything and it will dry up in just a few minutes. Now as you can see, I bought the Parkside Primer Plus paint from Lidl. All you have to do is shake the paint up for 2 to 3 minutes, and try to paint the rims as evenly as possible in a few coats. For starters, I painted mostly in the deepest spots. After the first coat is dry in about 5 minutes, I go over it again and spray every part that was left out, and do not forget about the inside of the rims that are visible. After the second coat has dried, just to make sure, I go over it one more time to have the best result and longest lasting paint possible. And there you have it, just like new and a nice upgrade for your car either way. This is how it looked with the old General wheels that were on it. And this is how it looks now, quite the difference in my opinion. For any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and if you like this type of video, please leave a like and subscribe for future videos. Thank you for watching. Have a great day everyone.